Oxyhero Push is a nasal dilator that gently dilates the nostrils to help you breathe through your nose, provided you use the product correctly. The nasal dilator consists of 2 cylinders which are connected through a small connecting bridge. On the bottom of each cylinder, there are 2 soft, thin wings. These wings create a plug effect and grip the inner walls of the nostril. If you do not need them or find the wings unpleasant, you can simply shorten them or cut them off with scissors. Your nasal passage should be completely clear before you start to insert the Oxyhero Push. So first, clear your nasal passages. Nasal irrigation or nasal douches can be very helpful for that. First, try Oxyhero Push size M. For easier insertion, you can moisten the nasal dilator with water. Hold the product so the cylinder's tubes are facing up and the horseshoe-shaped connecting bridge is facing down. Now clasp the strips on each tube with your fingers so that they are pressed against the cylinder and the cylindrical tubes face upwards. Slide Oxyhero Push with slight pressure into your nose. The nasal dilator should fit firmly and comfortably. If the device does not fit firmly enough, repeat the process with Oxyhero Push size L. If the fit is too tight, please consider size S instead. The nasal dilator should not cause any pain while wearing it. Needless to say, you will experience a slight sensation of having a foreign body inside your nose in the beginning, but this will disappear after a short period or after you become accustomed to it. To remove the nasal dilator, simply pull the Oxyhero Push gently out of the nose. Oxyhero Push should be thoroughly cleaned with warm water and dried with a clean towel after each application. Avoid abrasive or alkaline-based detergents for cleaning the device, as they affect the material and should also not come into contact with the sensitive nasal mucosa. The Oxyhero Push should be stored in a clean and dry place inside the supplied storage box.